Welcome back to the channel if you've been here before. So if you've been following my channel, you know that I purchased a 2017 BMW F800 GS recently. Now the bike is in great condition, although this guy did use it for adventure riding, so a lot of off-road stuff. He did have it down a few times, so there's a couple nicks here and there. But some of these plastics are just a little bit scratched up. So I figured, why not try to vinyl wrap these and see how it turns out. I already have one piece off. It's this left back piece. This is going to be the easiest piece to wrap just because of its shape. These are a little bit intricate, so I'm going to leave these for last. Now I've never done this before, so we'll see how it's going to turn out. So I got this stuff R Vinyl. It's a 3M product. Seems fairly simple. Step 1, measure. Step 2, clean. 3, plan. 4, cut. 5, peel. 6, apply. 7, heat. 8, trim. 9, tuck. 10, wrap. We have everything we need. I bought this little tool kit. Applying tool. This looks like it's to get the air bubbles out. And oh, here's the cutter. And of course, here's the wrap. I went with this here in the light, kind of a black matte camo finish. So I think it's gonna look pretty cool on it. Cutter tool. Sufficient. Surface one more time. Now I've only watched other videos on YouTube on how to do this, so you just gotta pick a line, right, to set this on. So go like this and almost kind of work with it. On the edges, you have to pull a little over and then give a little bit of a stretch. This is attempt number 2. On that first one, I pulled it too much along that edge and it ripped. I couldn't work the other piece over. So I'm gonna just give it one more shot. Right now I'm just kind of lifting it up a little bit and pulling, trying to get all the air bubbles out. I'm gonna take some of this access off with the razor blade so I can get a better look at what I'm actually doing here. I might just leave some of that on the inside. It's really not gonna matter. Alright, so here it is. Let's go throw on the bike. Here's the left side back on. I'm going to pop off the right and do the same procedure. And we'll see how this turns out. Here we are, day 2 of the vinyl wrap. I actually finished all this yesterday. It was just too dark to show you guys. But here's the front right. This rear piece on the right. Got the rear piece on the left. And of course I ran out of wrap to finish the left side. But here's a nice before of what it looked like and the after. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I'll catch you guys next time.